Welcome to another Witch's Playhouse. We're gonna have some fun. Hey guys, it's Lala. Welcome to Lala Witch's Playhouse. Today we're gonna be playing Dory's Home. So this is where Dory lives. My favorite part was when she found her family. So today we're gonna be playing Dory's Home.
It's called it's the Marine Life Institute playset. Really cool. We got it at, where did we get this?
From Toys R Us.
Yep, Toys R Us, our favorite toy store.
So let's open this up. So it has the map. All of these tools that we need. And this.
Ta-da-da! It's all set up.
Look!
Ooh! This is so cool.
So we have Nemo. Let's see how he swims.
Let's put Nemo in. Oh! Go, go, Nemo, go!
Good.
I know, it looks like he's eating.
I know.
Woo. You might have to wind him back up. Oh, there he goes. Go, Nemo, go. Go. Oh.
Nemo.
There he goes. Woo.
It's like your brother, Lila. He keeps stopping to eat something.
We loved the movie. That was a super cool movie.
Yeah, but we had to see Finding Dory.
Yeah, we did see Finding Dory. What happened?
Finding Nemo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Go Nemo, go!
We tried to watch Finding Nemo in Jamaica,
Yeah.
but then they took it off of Netflix. I was like, what just happened?
Yeah. Ah! You splashed us. You splashed us.
Oh, there he goes.
So cute.
He keeps getting stuck.
Yay, Nemo's in the pond. Ah! I'm trapped in here. What am I gonna do? Ah!
Who were some of the other characters on Dory that you really liked?
So on the box, the characters are on here is, so it's Nemo, Nemo's dad,
What was his name? Marlin,
and Dory and
Bailey. Bailey was my favorite.
Yeah.
Every time he made that moo sound, that was so cool.
My favorite one was, what was cool is when you can see like the cars and stuff.
Which
You mean
part
the
was?
little round circles coming out of his head?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Because he
The
saw
sonic
everything.
waves.
Like all of
The
the
sonic
memories.
waves. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a really cool toy.
Yeah.
This is really, really cool.
Splash this. Do it in there.
And we're gonna add some more toys to this. We're gonna get the Dory, and we're gonna get Bailey, and we're gonna get Marlin, and then have a super good swim time. This is a really cool Dory toy.
I wish they could race.
Oh, I know, I
Yeah, it
know.
looks like he's taking a
You could
race.
probably put one right here, and then one on the other side, and whoever gets to the middle first.
Wins.
Oh, Nemo, come on, you gotta swim faster than that.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
make some noise here.
You gotta swim faster than that. Yay, there he goes.
See if you get some. Put it on the corner. See if he can make it to the corner.
Right here?
Let's see if he's really hungry. Now put it in the water in the corner. See how fast he gets over to it. Oh, he's going real fast now. Look at it.
Yum, 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 yum.
This is the secret to this, kids. You gotta put a little pretzel in there. And he got it. There you go.
This is a really super cool game.
Let's see
Lila,
if
what do you
it's
feel
over
about this
here.
game? Do you like this?
Awesome. Deal.
Super fun.
Hey guys. That's all. Put it right here. Go, Nemo, go. Go, Nemo, go.
Ooh, he's going really fast now.
I know.
Need some
You just
energy.
have to stay in the middle. Let's see if we can swim all the way to this way. Hold on.
Go, go, Nemo, go, 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 Nemo,
Where's this?
go.
Where's this thingies? Oh. Do we have to take these out? No. Okay. Let's see if he can swim all the way. I mean, hold on. Yeah. Go, Nemo, go.
Go, Nemo, you can do it. Oh, there you go. You know what my favorite part of the movie was?
What?
The ending when the octopus was driving the car and Dory was in the little small glass sitting on the dashboard and she was telling him what to do and they were driving.
Who was telling him what to do?
Dory was telling the octopus. I forgot his name. She was telling him,
His name is Hank.
oh yeah, Hank. She was telling Hank what to do. That was so funny. And then they were almost hitting the other cars and then they crashed into the water and then everybody was all happy and oh, so cute. I was crying. Oh, well, this has been super awesome today. Guys, we definitely think that this game is a big thumbs up. It's just fun. You can sit and do this all day and watch Nemo, and then if you get the other characters, Dory and Bailey and Marlin, and watch them swim through here, it's super cool. I feel like out of all of the Finding Dory games,
Nemo.
this was the coolest one. Or Nemo. This was the coolest one that we saw. Well, Lila.
These characters. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more videos. I hope you like this channel. See you guys next time.